Hello YouTube, this video is gonna show you the application on a mobile phone that can make money online for us. Are you ready to meet that application? Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's start. Now we are in mobile phone. I will show you the applications that make money. That is, name is WHAFF. Okay. There is two applications. See that? Okay. Right. So the best of this application is WHAFF. Just only this name. But WHAFF Locker is we can lock the screen and get money. Okay, I'll show you WHAFF. Okay, we are in. So I will introduce just a video. Okay, we can pay out for Bitcoin, Ethereum, iTunes, Google Pay, Steam, a lot of things here. Facebook, gift cards, Amazon. Okay, we just request. Next function is premium pitch. We can do this to earn money. That is just install applications and do mission and complete it. I will show you history of rewards that I get money. So next, WHAFF picks. Okay, you see that you do survey or something, and we have item tab. It's like mining Bitcoin. It's use your CPU mine for your money. Okay, and next, other picks. Just do video ad or install open apps as a media. Okay, today I already watched it. Okay, and lock screen earning is red WHAFF. So it's WHAFF Locker that you see here before. Before I show this app, okay, I'll show you reward history. Okay, come. Yeah, I get a lot of money. No, not much. It's a little money, and some of them is going to $3.2. So I have had a request for payout when I have $22. Yeah, it's for Steam, my Steam. Okay, payout completed. Okay, and I get Steam gift card. Okay, so payout history. Yeah, it's like I show you. Length, total length. This is include that someone can do money for total money that he can do. For today's length, first, I don't know how he do. How and 20 is so this is a real app that can pay you for real. You can get money from this application, and I'll show you WHAFF Locker. just a sec. Okay, I open up. Okay, it's like the same, the best like WHAFF original. Okay, but it's including include screen locker. When we swap the screen, right, we will get money sometime. It's about 0.003 that I show you. Yeah, lock screen earn like this. Okay, it's connected to connected between WHAFF and WHAFF locker. Okay, so I will show you on my Steam that I changed dollar to money at Thai baht. Okay.
So now I opening it. Okay, you see that this is my wallet. It became from WHAFF. Okay, I got this from dollar to Thai baht. Okay, I show you. I withdraw for $72, right? It's about 31. Okay, it's about it. So if you got code from WHAFF, we have to click advance to your Steam wallet. Okay, and redeem as Steam card or wallet code. Okay, and here and continue. It does not take too long. Okay, so this video is gonna end now. So if you have a question or something, you can comment on this video below this video. Okay, thank you. If you like or want me to make more video, you can subscribe it, or if you don't like it, you can unlike or dislike. Okay, thanks for watching so much. Okay, bye bye. Enjoy your money.